Your unusual snake pet. Most girls and mums have an adverse reaction to having a snake, or any other dangerous animal as a pet. However, with proper care and the correct selection, even those with aversions can become quite fascinated by the snake as a pet. The key is to do a lot of research when buying a snake. Most pet shops will sell the harmless snakes and teach you how to feed them. If you always wanted a snake as a pet when you were a boy, you might choose something a little more exotic. Tips to finding the right snake for you or your child can come in handy when you are faced with the task. First, you will want to research snakes in general. You have your garden variety snake that is very common and not dangerous. Then there are pythons, kings, and boa constrictor snakes. Keep in mind, if this is for a child, you probably want a harmless snake that will not grow too large. The larger snakes take more care and larger aquariums and are not suited for smaller children. The species of snake you chose will have a special diet. Most species have different diets. You may have seen a pet snake in the pet store eating mice while other snakes do not. It is important to choose a snake you can provide proper food for, at all times. You also do not want to keep a wild snake, as they tend to carry diseases and stress with the change in environment. It is best to shop at a trustworthy pet shop or snake breeder. Most king snakes and gopher snakes tend to eat mice and need to have plenty of water to drink. You may have a little pond in your aquarium with tree branches, rocks, and dirt for your snake. Like food, most snakes require a special environment. You will want to research that snake before choosing the environmental accessories. Snakes are often tropical in nature, so they require heat as well as moderate temperatures in the evening. You have heard of the desert being cold at night. Snakes are proliferating in the desert areas and rainforests. Being able to provide the proper environment will ensure a long life for your new pet. Touching on food again, you also need to have a feeding schedule. Some snakes do not have to eat every day. In fact, gopher snakes will not eat every day. If you are getting a pet snake for your child, you will want to make sure they understand the feeding schedule. Most young adults can handle having a pet snake, while little children will need you to take care of the snake. Handling the snake is also important. The more a snake is used to human contact, the more docile they tend to be. This means those that are dangerous can be held given proper training and handling. I recommend staying away from these snakes when you first have a pet snake. It is important to take small steps when you have a pet snake to get used to their special needs. Snakes can make great pets if you take proper care of them. Many young boys and even girls are fascinated with snakes. They have pretty colors, and just the lure of a little danger can add to the interest. Make sure you are prepared for the requirements needed from you to have a pet snake before giving in to a child demand.